Why is it that the most important cog in the machinery is called the backbone of a system? It's probably because the backbone is the most important cog in the human machinery. Our backs and spinal system are involved in every motion we execute. In this program, we will discuss the 4 key ingredients for a trouble-free back: proper lifting techniques, good posture, moderate exercise, and weight control. Statistics show that 8 out of 10 of us will suffer from disabling back pain at some point in our lives. 93 million workdays are lost in the United States each year due to back injuries, resulting in a bill that exceeds $14 billion. That figure does not include associated indirect costs such as productivity, retraining, lowered morale, and personal expenses. In 1988, according to the National Safety Council statistics, backs accounted for 22% of all disabling injuries and nearly a third of the nation's workers' comp bill. Future back problems can be avoided, but it takes an understanding and commitment on your part. Since under 10% of all back injuries happen in the workplace, it is also a commitment in your lifestyle. Pain and injuries may occur immediately, as in the case of improper lifting techniques, or can be the long-term result of repeated offenses such as poor posture or excessive body weight. Your back is a complex structure of bones, muscle, ligaments, and the nervous system. It operates like a lever with a balance point, or fulcrum, located at your waist. Anytime you bend at the waist, your back absorbs the stress and pressure from the weight of the object you are lifting. In addition, your back also absorbs the weight of your upper body and head. Our backs operate at a 10-to-1 ratio with our fulcrum point when we bend to pick up something. With the average adult torso and head weighing 105 pounds, bending at the waist to lift something as light as the Sunday newspaper can expose your lower back to over 1,000 pounds of pressure. The first key ingredient to combat back injuries is proper lifting techniques. Bend your knees anytime you move towards the floor to pick something up. Use your legs to lift, not your back. Keep the object as close to your body as possible. Never stretch or lean over a barrier to pick something up. Create a passage or slide it to where you can lift it properly first. Remember to always keep your back straight. Your thighs contain a single bone surrounded by 22 inches of some of the strongest muscles found in the body. Utilize them. The second key ingredient for a trouble-free back is good posture, whether you are standing or sitting. A good standing posture is one that maintains the spine in its natural S-shaped position. A poor posture puts unnecessary strain on the spine every waking minute of the day. When you work in a stationary standing position, avoid stooping or continuously leaning. The height of your workstation should be adjusted to prevent this. If you must stand without moving for any length of time, use a footrest to help reduce excessive strain in the lower spine. Remember to alternate the raised foot frequently. When sitting, maintain your back in its natural S shape. Your buttocks should be back in the chair with your weight on your upper thighs, knees higher than hips. The height of the chair and adequate leg room are also important to allow you to perform your tasks without having to lean forward. Avoid chairs or sofas that you sink into. Instead of allowing your muscles to relax, a soft chair causes muscle tension in the lower back and buttocks. The third key ingredient is moderate exercise. A limber, mobile back is less likely to give you trouble than the one that is stiff and unused to movement. Weight control is also essential for a trouble-free back. Because of the 10-to-1 ratio the back has with the fulcrum point, an additional 20 pounds in your upper torso is equivalent to 200 pounds to your spinal system. It is not the lifting of an object that causes pain, but rather the way we execute the motion. Remember the proper lifting techniques. Bend your knees and lift with your legs. Keep the object as close to your body as possible. Remember to always keep your back straight. Use good posture in both standing and sitting. Maintain proper weight and do moderate exercise to prepare and limber up the back. The statistics are alarmingly high. Back problems are painful, nagging injuries that can stick with you the rest of your life. The time to do something about it is now.